How to sew Bustier pattern neck jackets and waistcoats. So I've gone ahead to cut out, draft whatever I want to draft. I have the full video on how to do that. So on the seam allowance, I don't need to add any swing, any seam allowance. But on the down on the ham side or ham hole, whatever you used to call it, you had 0.5 because you are using that 0.5 to sew it. Okay, and I would advise you to add interface to your fabric, all right, so that it will be able to stand well. So this is the back, all right. I also had interface and I use hemi gum to turn the down so that I'll be able to gum it, abi iron it well, all right. So after that, I've gone ahead to use lining to lining and fabric to fabric to sew the front part. This is what we have. On the front part, it's going to be open. You can decide to use zipper. You can decide to use button. Me, I will go for button. All right. So this is what we have for the front. And let's join everything together. So I'm using 1.5 inches for my seam allowance. All right. So for that upper part, you can use a hook. This is what we have. And guys, don't mind how it's looking on the mannequin because the my client's measurement is different from this mannequin, all right? So I'll be using hook for this back part, all right? So if you have watched to this part, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, and watch, like, comment. Okay, thank you so much for your constant support. See you guys in my next